Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramangi, Hakerdob Ying Jongpi.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih Jongka Sorkar Jylla Rakam Sangma Haka Khatsan Tarik Urisau Arjar Apsau Ula Pentip Ba Kalong Kabae Yaka Sorkar Jylla Ban Shimrai Halor Ka Jingdawa Ban Penkiu Tulop Yaki Noika School SSE Ki Badan Hapo Ka Shetri Jongka All Meghalaya School Teachers Association Namar Ka Sorkar India Nadu Uni Usnam Arjar Apsau Kala Khate Yaka Bha Apisa Kabakot Hadu 100%. Uraka mulai turu ba ya kasan persen ke baka Sorkar India kala khati lahab ban behi nakapla jong ka Sorkar Jylla. Shushu uraka mulai tu ba nadu usnam arajar khatpra hadien ka jingpan kala ya ki kendon ka jingbha pisa jong ka Sorkar India sya ka Jylla Meghalaya ban pentrekam ya ka Skhim samagra shiksha abhiyan ka long tang 90% kat ba ya ka 90% lahab ban behi da ka Sorkar Meghalaya bat hagini gilai sem ki ban sawan ka Sorkar India kan yai hati be 100% ya ka bha hadu usnam arjar arpanreo nakalyang jong menteri Ula kerpat yaki nohikai school SSA ki ba pelong ya ka jia khi ba khlamput singi ban lek phaino shaki school khanang ba kan omlong ka jingdo nong yaki khana school.
Earlier SSA it's a government of India program. Earlier when the program launched, it was the Sabha 6 Abhiyans was launched, it was the Minister of Education, Government of India program. The state government is to add only 10% of the salary component. It is purely from the Government of India program, and the state government is to bear 10% of the cost, the salary. But now, since 2018, the capping norms has been changed. Now, every year, the Government of India is cutting down 5% every year. The state government is increasing compensatory payment for the salary every 5% every year. Earlier, that was before, prior 2018, it was 90:10. But now, since this year, this state government is bearing 30% of the salary and 70% by the Government of India. So next year in 2025, state government will be bearing 35% and 65% will be from the Government of India. So maybe in next 3 years, the state government has to be 50% of the salary. So I think practically state government is enhancing their salary 5% every year. Of course, the amount goes same. But the ministry cutting down the salary component 5% every year, the state government has to compensate. However, we are living no stone unturned. We are working out, we are exploring. We have had a meeting with Honorable Chief Minister many times on this issue, but since we have multiple challenges, be that another 10,000 ad hoc school teachers also demanding the same, 13,000 SSA demanding the same. There are many challenges here, we know. So the revenue constraint in the state government is also the factor. We're not able to decide at one go. But however, we are working out the formula how to help them out, and we have made them known many times. Like both the demands are genuine, we understand. But the faction is always there. Be in the politics, be in any NGO, be it everywhere. This faction is always a faction, but I think this is not a good sign to have this kind of faction, to be frank. But because both the demands are genuine, we understand because they are our teacher, they're from the same family, we are soldiering the responsible together. They have to soldier. In giving the education to the children. So now I'm also not I feel bad, like when our teachers sitting on the street, sitting in the playground for these days. But I also, on the other way around, I also feel, what about the students they're supposed to teach them also? Then sometimes I feel, of course, all this week was the vacation time. Of course, it is good, but now as the school has been open, I would request them, or my teachers, just to go back to the schools, think about their children also, right? Think about the children also. So their children may be waiting in the schools, I don't know. So therefore, government is exploring the way how to serve them. But 13,000 teachers to to decide what they demand. This may not be practically possible immediately, but however, we are exploring any possibility, any formula. We have set once a meeting last 2 weeks back with Honorable Chief Minister, and we'll be sitting again. We are working out the formula. Our Chief Minister, and we already instruct our officials just to work out a formula, how to find out how to work out, how to find out the working formula to help them out. No, we have met them. We have met many times in the past, and we are always here to discuss with them, just to talk, because last 2 weeks we are busy for the, I think you know what happened in Khate, what happened in the district. The laws of life happen, so we have to be priority to attend the issues, therefore, for all these reasons. So I think since I'm back here, I can meet them anytime, because I'm here for them, right? And they are there for the peoples also, right? So we are together, and they are not against anybody, but we are part of the same family, right? We are always, I'm here, we are here as a government. We are always to just discuss and to find a way. Of course, this is a challenge for the state government. The financial is the issue, so it is not easy to take decision at one go. It's a what you call the problems being arise from the day one, right? So this is being continuous.